Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldigetit.com. Today I'm doing a photo shoot of this wild Hodges Haulers F450 Super Duty high output truck. It's sick. It's a ramp truck that a friend of a friend of a friend, now a friend, owns, and I want to show you guys real quick and let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a video of this truck. So this started life as a regular 2025 F450 pickup truck. You can go get these off the lot at any point. Then it went to Tennessee, and that's where the whole story changed. So this became a 20-foot hauler in the back. As you can see, it's an awesome ramp truck. This particular one is used by a private party with some really awesome cars, but it's fantastic because it actually gets 13 miles to the gallon, which is insane to me when it's hauling. It's got ramps, lights, winches, everything built in, storage boxes on the side, and it's all blacked out. So this one, it looked okay before. It had a lot of chrome on the front. They blacked it out. I think it looks sick. And I didn't realize how much wider the rear of this truck is than the cab until I got the drone up in the air. And you guys can see these shots right here. This thing is so wide. It looks so good in all black. You have so many points to ratchet down. Honestly, if I ever drove a tow truck or a ramp truck like this, I would love for it to be this one. There's a ton of space inside. It's got all the new Ford tech. So if you've been in like a Gen 3 F150, it's very similar. You got the large touchscreen with sync, CarPlay, all that stuff. Let me know if you'd be interested in a more in-depth video, if I should do a driving review. And also one interesting note is that with a truck like this, you never worry about scraping the front. We're always worried about scraping the rear going up driveways. Anyways, if you have questions, leave them in a comment and I'll get back to you. Peace.